boyfriend's here. Say hi, babe.
Hi.
So today in this video, we're gonna try all the things that we bought today at the KP International Asian Market, right?
International Market.
International Market. So we got all these things here. So the first thing, we're gonna work our way up. So we have bread, we have a fruit, we have snacks, a couple other things, and then we have drinks. And then we have some ice cream that's in the fridge. So let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna try this Japan bread. I've seen in videos and mostly in like anime, but it's called Shukua Ban. I think ban is bread. I can't remember when it comes to my Japanese ban. But yeah, so we're gonna try it out. Okay, so one for you. Yeah, this is those look really nice, actually. Seems really sweet. I'm gonna try this one. Mmm.
Doughy.
Very doughy. That's good. You know, really, when it comes to the bread, I think if somebody's really, really high, and just eat it. Yeah, this bread is really good. Really, really good.
A little dry.
I don't know what that is.
Not for you, sir.
I don't know what it's talking about, guys. This bread's really good. I don't really eat crust, you guys, but I eat the crust because it's really, really good. Let's do it. Our bread is so good, you guys. I definitely recommend. Alright guys, so the next one we got is a fruit. What's this fruit called?
Don't remember. It was the one with the plums.
Why didn't you grab it then? Okay, I'm gonna try this. I don't think it's ripe. Look at the color, you guys. This color's really pretty. Like, it's really a pretty color. But I don't think it's ripe.
Yeah. It felt soft.
Yeah. But it's not ripe. Okay. Next snack. We're starting out with some cheesy stuff, you guys. So, next one is cheesy rings, cheesy flavored snack. I believe this is some maybe Japanese kind of thing. Ooh, it says keep our country clean. Oh, it's made in the Philippines. Philippines, okay, alright. Also got some Facebook and some Instagram and some Twitter that we can go through. Okay, I'm gonna try this. It's like a Cheeto, but it's a little bit more sweeter.
Like, you mix the cheddar popcorn with the caramel popcorn.
Yeah. But it's good though. These are really, really good. These are dangerous. These are good. Alright, so this one, Babe grabbed. He said it was red, and I wanted, he wanted to grab. I think this is taco beef. And it, oh my god. This little chili pepper says so hot. And it's smiling. Going like, yay! You can't even read it. It has nothing. It's just got Korean language stuff. Oh god, guys. It kind of smells weird.
It must smell like a donut.
I don't know if it smells like a donut. Okay, eat it.
kind of sweet.
Is it? Oh yeah. Really, really sweet. There's no fire to it. It takes a little bit of a hint of spice, but just a tad.
Just on the back end.
Okay, on to the next one. So these ones, Trent got at, where did you get these at, Trent?
Walmart.
Got them at Walmart. It's another Korean one. It says Chochang Uga.
Ooga.
That one. But it's a rice snack. It's got little.
It's a rice snack with like honey and sesame seeds.
It looks good, you guys. So I don't know if you guys can see, but you know, it looks good.
And it's made in Seoul.
It's made in Seoul. I love Korea, by the way. I don't know if you guys already know. So I had to make a video about that. It's manufactured in Seoul, Korea. The product of Korea. Best before 23rd March 2019. S52. It smells sweet. Definitely sweet. Yeah, I like sweet stuff. Crunchy. You know what these look like? They look like those cheap fried things that you put in the oven.
I was kind of thinking they looked like tempura.
Oh. They're not bad. Little snacky snacks. They're definitely good. That's why I'm eating another one. Really good. Alright, the next thing we got is roasted watermelon seeds, you guys. Now, I never tried watermelon seeds just to be like a snack, but look how dark these things are, you guys. Ooh, oh god, I don't think I'm gonna like this. It smells really gross. And let me try one.
Ooh, yeah, it says that.
How do you eat these? You just eat the inside?
I'm eating them like.
No, absolutely not. I'm a little bit nervous about these ones, you guys. So this one is called Oshi Pillows UV filled crackers. So
I got them because it's packaged.
they're appetizing. They really don't look appetizing, you guys. I don't know what to say about them. Oh god. Oh my goodness. They do.
I think they smell bad.
They don't smell bad. I just got a huge whiff of that sugar.
They're not horrible.
I knew I wasn't gonna like these. Alright guys. We got here the original shrimp flavored chips. Now, on the back, it says, try all these delicious items from Andy's original shrimp chips, onion and garlic, barbecue, and shrimp chunks. For camping, for parties, for picnics, for any time. And
Got an American flag on it.
got an American flag on it, so I don't know. I love how in the little, it's just little here, it says allergy warning, shrimp.
Really?
Really? Does it not say on the front of the bag? On the front of the bag? No. Oh, I'm gonna spray this. It's gonna smell so bad.
Probably.
Oh,
Oh god.
they're gonna smell. Hey, can we just share one?
No. You gotta have the whole one.
I don't
You
want
gotta have the whole bag. Those are nasty.
Those are gross. Oh, hell no. On to the next one. We're on to drinks, you guys. So, this is, I've seen these drinks before. I just never really drink them. But they're the Japanese drinks. And with the little balls on top. So, and there are really difficult instructions. And I got the removed strawberry made with real sugar. So, I don't know it looks cute. So what it says is, you gotta undo the cap. Like, duh.
Isn't that sangria?
No.
Sangria is like fruit.
Yeah, sangria. Okay, now we're gonna press down. Oh! Ooh, it's got this little ball thing, you guys. Ooh, I actually like that. That's actually really, really good.
Almost like a strawberry tonic water.
It's really good, you guys. I definitely recommend it if you guys want to get it. But the
Or
little
just
ball.
get the box.
Yeah, the little ball. I like it. On to another drink. Saria? Hey guys, unfortunately, the rest of the movie got cut off because apparently the camera wasn't recording. I'm really bummed about that, but that's okay. That's part of, new vlogging. So anyway, so what we're going to do is we're going to take some of the drinks that we still have from leftover from yesterday and we're going to record them again, and yeah. So, alright guys, peace out. Bye. Anyways, hi guys. So we're starting back to our video that we forgot that the video got lost in. So we're gonna go back to where we left off. This was the Cerie lemon. There we go. And as you can see, we already drank some of it. So this drink was really, really good. As you can see, we already drink it. That was a good time. It's sweet. Got lemon in it, of course. Yeah, really enjoy this drink. What do you think?
I think if you make fudge of soda, that's what it tastes like.
Friendship thirst.
You know.
So yeah, that's the other drink that we just need to do. Wasn't that a good catch, guys?
That is gross.
Anyways, so, how the story behind this drink is that it had no tag on it, you guys. It had no tag on it. And the lady was like, you need to have a tag for this. So I was like, okay, I'll go find one. And then I looked at all of them, and none of them had a tag on them. I'm like, okay, $6.49, that's exactly what it says. And then I told the lady that because none of them have tags on them. And she was like, you need to have a tag. I was like, well, there is no tag. And she kind of didn't really believe me, so she's like, okay, well, I'll go get it. I was like, okay, I'll show you where it is. And then she kind of she found them, and she was like, look at this one. Look at that one. Look at this one. So I was like, and she was like, there's no tag. So it literally took about, 10 to 15 minutes to put this on. To finally put the scan on it or whatever. So it comes in this little thing. It's like the Russian, what's it called again? Russian nationals. We take it apart.
And it's really
Take it apart, and it gets smaller and smaller until it's like really big. But this one, you open it. There's vodka in it. Opens backwards. There's vodka in it. Of course, I can't do this backwards. Yeah, guys. But it looks good at first. And we had a really, when we recorded this, we had a really hard time opening this, you guys. It had to use scissors. So, after I remember, I think it went down smooth, but we didn't Whew. I remember saying, it smelled like rubbing alcohol.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I remember saying. Okay. Absolutely not. Whew. That's not bad. go the other way. No, it's not very well. Yeah, can we close these now? Anyways, moving on, guys. So we totally forgot to record this one, and I totally forgot about it. But this was, I always wanted to try this. It's called the Swiss roll cake, old-fashioned wheat cake. It's really cute. You get 4 packages. You get 4 of them, and it only costs about $5, you guys. So, you know, that was good. Now we try it out. Okay. One for you. This is just that bun. You look at it? Ooh, it smells sweet.
I love that sweet.
I like it a lot. This is really good. It's like, it kind of reminds me of a strawberry whipped cream puff. Or it kind of has that taste of a strawberry, you know, with the strawberry pie. Not strawberry pie. Strawberry cake.
Strawberry shortcake.
This is really good, guys. Now we got this. Thumbs up for me. It's not. How is Jesus that cold? That's what she said. What?
She probably would say that, you know, guys, down her pants. Can't deny that.
Okay, moving on. We already ate these. But come on. This is the mochi ice cream. Guys, I love mochi. And I really want to try a different one. Because it's always vanilla, strawberry, green tea. That was about it. This one's coffee, you guys. Coffee. Who knew? I mean, come on.
No, it all came
Oh,
out the
and
other
you-
side.
Oh. Oh God. It's gonna be that full. Those still at. I'm not sure.
The dough's still frozen.
Let's do a second.
Just like that. But
Yeah. That was not good last time. So I'm still gonna try it. Alright, next one is the mochi ice cream mint chocolate chip. Now, I really like these. This one's really, really good. I thought it was brilliant. Ooh, this is really soft, so be careful. So I got a hard one.
would you like it? Would
No. you got a soft one, guys. I got a hard one. Anyways, eat them. Really inside, you guys. So bad. And that's it, you guys. I know it's kind of a quick video, but ish, but I'm sorry that you weren't able to see the first video when it comes to our full reaction on everything. But the show was really great. Yeah, that's finding our cheese cream. That was a really good part. What's it called? We had a really good time doing this video and trying everything out. We're definitely going back. No matter what. So I think let's put some stuff and next thing to watch. Okay? So yeah. Alright guys, I'll see you later in the next video.
Peace.